Hello everyone, welcome to my series of IELTS Writing Task 1. The topic today is about another memory process, that is water treatment. The diagram shows rainwater is collected for the use of drinking water in an Australian town. This is our chart. Okay. Here is my task. I did it a few days ago. The process above illustrates the production of harvesting drinking water from natural rainwater in a town in Australia. Overall, the process of rainwater harvesting involves 6 stages, beginning with the collection of rainwater and concluding with the delivery of treated potable fresh water to households for consumption. Firstly, rain is caught on the rooftop of each house and then runs down through a system of connected drainage pipes, which move in the same direction to the water filter. Once the water is filtered, it then goes through a pipes to a large storage tank. When this is needed, it is transferred through another pipes to a water treatment tank where the water is added chemicals to make it safe to drink. Having been treated, the water is then pumped through another set of pipes that connects to each of the house, where residents can consume it through their water faucets. Ok, và đó là bài của mình ha. Bài này mình được đánh giá là khoảng 6.5 bên IELTS Writing. Rồi, trong cái topic này ấy, thì sẽ có vài từ vựng các bạn cần lưu ý nè. First of all, treated potable fresh water. Có nghĩa là nước ngọt uống đã được qua xử lý ha. Rồi, consumption có nghĩa là sự tiêu thụ. Pipes là ống, water filter thiết bị lọc nước, chemicals là hóa chất, pump là bơm, residents là cư dân và cuối cùng faucets là vòi. Thì bài này đây là một cái bài mẫu nữa, là bài này là giáo viên của mình gửi qua cho mình, là mình kiểm tra là nó được bằng 8 chấm luôn. Okay. The diagram illustrates the process of harvesting rainwater for drinking water in an Australian town. The process begins with the collection of rainwater from rooftops. Rainwater is channeled into a network of interconnected drainage pipes that direct it toward a water filter. The water is then filtered to remove impurities before being transported via pipes to a large storage tank. When drinking water is needed, it is transferred through another pipe to a water treatment tank. Here, chemicals are added to ensure the water is safe for consumption. After treatment, the water is pumped through a separate set of pipes that connects to each household in the town. Residents then have access to safe, treated drinking water from their taps. The overall process consists the 6 main stages, beginning with the collection of rainwater and culminating in the delivery of potable water to residents. Each stage plays a vital role in ensuring the safe and efficient supply of drinking water. Okay, that's the end of this video. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.